What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're talking about a company called Foresight Autonomous and what the overall future looks like for them and how it could potentially impact your portfolio. We all know that 2020 was the best year so far for electric vehicles, and it made a lot of people some serious money. Obviously, electric vehicles are here to stay and will continue to grow and really expand with a projected 50% growth in 2021 alone. So when you start researching or really looking at these electric vehicle companies, you realize they're already thinking 5 to 10 years down the road. Innovation, anything with technology, is a must-have. And one thing seems to be really a common association or a common theme when you're talking about electric vehicles that are producing cars or prototype cars right now, and that's the ability to have self-driving capabilities. So this is where Foresight Autonomous and other similar companies really come into play and could be a game changer for your portfolio. With pretty much all the major auto manufacturers looking to have their own self-driving car, and then we see companies like Apple and Canoo really kind of intertwine themselves with these automakers, it's obvious that having the technology to produce a safe driving car intermingling with human or manual driven cars is a must-have. And that's really where Foresight Autonomous and all these other companies have a special technology that I think is really going to put them in the market to be successful in the next 5 to 10 years. So in a short explanation of why Foresight could be the company to really expand and surge with these companies, it's because of their technology. Their technology really scans the road ahead to foresee possible collisions with vehicles, pedestrians, animals, and any other obstacles that you may experience in the road. The technology they have can be customized really to address the challenges of the advanced driver's alert systems and the autonomous vehicle markets. We're talking about including object detections under diverse road and lighting and weather conditions as well. So what they've done is really took the ability to utilize stereoscopic, thermal, multispectral, atomic calibration, and 3D point cloud technology all together really puts them in a great position to be utilized with these self-driving capabilities. But here's where it gets interesting for them moving forward. In an article published by the Monthly Fool, Foresight announced that they had their INET program, which will begin a pilot program with the Intelligent Transport Division of a multi-billion-dollar global Japanese vehicle manufacturer to test the INET's accident prevention system in the automaker's smart city project. Although Foresight didn't come out and say, hey guys, we're working with Toyota on this project, speculation does lead us to think it is Toyota, because here's why. Last year, Toyota announced that it was building a 2,000 person smart city near Tokyo called Woven City to test autonomous vehicles and related technologies. Now, obviously, this is just pure speculation, it should be noted, but as investors, we kind of want concrete information to take to the bank to help our portfolios. However, if you read between the lines, this is great news for Foresight or companies that provide a similar technologies, because Foresight said that, hey, we're working with a multi-billion-dollar automaker in Japan that has a smart city. Last year, Toyota saying, hey, we've built this smart city. You know, you can connect the dots and kind of see this is potential where it's headed. If this contract is announced or a major partnership is announced with Foresight and Toyota, this stock will probably explode overnight, and there's no telling really where it will go to from there. But of course, if you compare the EV stocks to what Foresight did this past year in stock terms, they also experienced a huge surge in value this past year alone with over a 800% growth. But here's the skinny, guys. I'm not saying Foresight is the company to put all your money into. But I do think if you're one of those investors that has been successful in investing in EV companies, then it's a no-brainer to see that there's other companies associated with electric vehicle stocks that you could also be successful if you get in early on as an investor. This technology isn't going away. It's actually becoming a demand because everyone wants the ability to also produce an all-electric vehicle as well as a self-driving electric vehicle at some degree. And of course, as we're talking, let me know in the comments section if there's a similar company like Foresight Autonomous that I may not know about or other investors may not know about. It could be even a better company in Foresight or have better deals. This is something I come on early last week. I thought it was like, hey, this is This is a no-brainer for me, so let me push out a video talking about it. Of course, right now, analysts have put a potential target price of around $13 a share given to the stock, more on the high end, and an average consensus to buy this company. Now, I'll be honest with you, I did add a small portion of Foresight to my portfolio because I'm very intrigued about what they can provide and really what the future looks like for them. However, I will say they kind of need to move more from the research and development lane into the major partnership, hopefully like this one that can come out from Toyota that is very successful, and their technology will get picked up by Toyota and other major car manufacturing companies. Of course, it's common sense. A major contract with a company like Toyota or any other major international name car manufacturer would put this company as the clear leader in this field of technology for self-driving capabilities, moving for next probably 10 to 20 years along. But guys, let me know what you think about the company. As always, don't take my advice or my personal opinion before you do your investment. Do your own research or consult with someone a lot smarter than I. As always, stay safe. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.